Today we have discussed about the subject CE8395 Strength of Material for Mechanical Engineers. Unit 2 Transfer Loading on Beams and Stress in Beam. The course outcome of in this unit is after successful completions of the student should be able to develop the shear force and bending moment diagram of various type of beam under different loading condition. The knowledge level of in this unit is K3. So we have discussed about the problems on simply supported beam with point load. So that is the problem. A beam freely supported over an effective span of 5 meter carries point loads 3 kilonewton, 4 kilonewton and 7 kilonewton at 1, 2.5 and 3.5 meter respectively from the left hand support. Construct the shear force and bending moment diagram. Construct the shear force and bending moment diagram. So once again I will read the problem, listen carefully. A beam freely supported, so that type of beam is simply supported beam. So the freely supported means they have another name of simply supported beam. So freely supported or simply supported both are same. A beam freely supported over an effective span of 5 meter carries point load. So total length of the beam is 5 meter, 3 kilonewton, 4.5 kilonewton and 7 kilonewton. That is a point loads at 1, 2.5 and 3.5 meter respectively. That is the distance of load will be applied on the beam. Construct the shear force and bending moment diagram. So given data, the diagram is a given data. All the data are inside the diagram. So beam is simply supported, two ends are supported. So that is A and E. Two ends are supported, A and B. Load will be acting on 3 kilonewton 1 meter distance. 4.5 kilonewton, that is a 2.5 distance. 7 kilonewton, that is a distance of 3.5 meter from A. So that is the construction of the beam, simply supported beam. Point load will be acted. Next we have find out the shear force and bending moment diagram. Next find out the shear force and bending moment diagram. First of all we have taking moment about A point, taking moment about A point. So A point we have taking the moment. So A point is a fixed. So we are taking the moment left side to right side, left side to right side. So RE into total distance of the beam. So distance between E and A. So that is RE into 5 is equal to, first of all, point load 3 kilonewton, 3 into 1 plus 4.5 into 2.5 plus 7 into 3.5. So we have calculated these values. We got the values of reaction force E point. So reaction force E point is equal to R is equal to 7.75 kilonewton. So we have calculated the reaction force at point E, R is equal to 7.75 kilonewton. Next we have find out the reaction force at point A. So RA plus RE is equal to total load. RA plus RE is equal. So total reaction is equal to total load. So RA plus RE is equal to 3 plus 4.5 plus 7. All the point loaders are we have adding. So we got the reaction force at point A. So RA is equal to 6.75 kilonewton. So we have find out the RA value also. So RA value is 6.75 kilonewton. Next we have find out the shear force calculation. Shear force calculation. So shear force at E is equal to minus RE. Shear force at E is equal to minus RE. The negative sign indicate right side upward force. So force will be upward force. We are using the negative sign. Minus RE is equal to minus 7.75 kilonewton, minus 7.75 kilonewton. That is the shear force at E point. Next, shear force at D point minus Re plus 7 kilonewton minus Re plus 7 kilonewton. So we have simplify, we got the answer of minus 0.75 kilonewton. Next, shear force at the C point minus Re plus all the point load will be added 7 plus 4.5. So 4.5 is a C point load. So 7 plus 4.5 kilonewtons. So we got the answer of shear force at C 3.75 kilonewton. 3.75 kilonewton. Next, shear force at C. We got the shear force at C, my 3.75 kilonewton. Next, shear force at B point minus Re plus 7, that is point load 4.5 plus 3. 3 will be acting on the point B. So we got the answer of 6.75 kilonewton. 6.75 kilonewton. Next, shear force at A point 6.75 kilonewton. That is the reaction force at A point. So that will be a shear force at A point. Positive sign indicate left side upward force. Left side upward force. So we have using the positive sign. Next, draw the shear force diagram. So you have first of all the shear force at E point, reaction force minus 7.75. Next, shear force at D point minus 0.75. So we got the point minus. So you have mentioned the downward side, that is negative, upward side, that is a positive. So we apply the minus value, that is minus 0.75. So that will be at that point will be mentioned. The C point value, C point 3.75 kilonewton, 3.75 kilonewton. So you, that is a positive. You have mentioned the top side 3.75. Next, B point 6.75. So 6 point also positive value 6.75. So you mark that line. Then RA, that reaction force also will be a same value 6.75. So you got join the line. So that is a shear force diagram. That is a shear force diagram. Next, we will calculate the bending moment calculation. Bending moment calculation. So bending moment at E point 0. So the moment formula is force into distance. The moment formula is force into distance minus force into distance. Okay. So first of all, bending moment E point, no distance will be acting. So E is equal to 0. Bending moment at A point. So the reaction force will be a positive sign. Re into distance between that particular E and D 1.5. So 7.75 into 1.5. The value of bending moment at D point is equal to 11.625 kilonewton meter. Next, we have find out the bending moment at C point. So Re into 2.5 meter, that is the distance between E and C. Distance between E and C. So Re into 2.5 minus 7 into 1. 7 into 1. So the value of bending moment C point 12.375 kilonewton meter. Next, bending moment at B point. So Re into distance between E and B. So that is 4. Re into 4 minus into minus 7 into distance of the particular beam. Okay, 7 into 2.5 minus 4.5 into 1.5. The value of the bending moment at B point is equal to 6.75 kilonewton meter. The bending moment at A point 0. So simply supported beam, the starting and ending point of bending moment calculation will be a 0. So we have see about the bending moment diagram. Listen. So bending moment at E point 0, then bending moment at D point 11.625 kilonewton. So that is a positive value. You have mentioned the B point. Then bending moment C point 12.375. So you have mentioned the C point value will be mentioned. Then bending moment at B point 6.75. The value will be down, but that is a positive value. Then bending moment at A point 0. So that is the bending moment diagram. That is a bending moment diagram. So the reference textbook we are using RK Bensal, strength of material of Lakshmi Publication, UC Jindal, strength of materials Asian Private Book Limited. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.